Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Random Access File class to perform reading and writing operations on a file at a time. So in a single program, we are going to perform reading and writing operations at a time. Right. So first of all, we'll understand what are IO streams. So IO stands for input output. Then what is stream? So stream is nothing but flow of data from source to destination in a Java program. So basically in Java, we have two types of streams. First one, input stream, and second one, output streams. So what are input streams? So input streams are nothing but reading streams, and these streams are used to read the data from source to Java program, and generally the source is keyboard. From keyboard we are going to read the data into our Java program. And second one, output streams. So output streams are nothing but writing streams, and using writing streams we can write the data from Java program onto the destination, and generally the destination is monitor, display, or output screen. And to work with IO streams, we have java.io package. So in this java.io package, we have different input stream classes and different output stream classes using which we can perform reading and writing operations efficiently in a Java program. So now coming to RandomAccessFile class to perform reading and writing operations at a time in a single Java program. So first of all, this class is available in java.io package. And what is the specialty of this class? So this class is not inherited from either input stream class or output stream class, but still it is part of java.io package and Java IO streams. So what is the use of this class? So this class is mainly used to perform reading operations and writing operations with a given file, both at a time in a single program. And next, it provides different methods to perform reading operations and writing operations both at a time in a single program on a given Java file, on a given any file. So what are the different constructors and methods which are available in this class? So let us see the description of the class. It goes like this: java p -p java.io.randomaccessFile. So to go to the command prompt and issue this command. Right. So in this class, first of all, it goes like this. It is not inherited from input stream class or output stream class. And second, this is the constructor, and this constructor takes two strings, string comma string, as input parameter. So the first parameter is the file name and the second parameter is the file mode. So generally we use two file modes, first one read mode and second one read write mode at a time. And this constructor throws FileNotFoundException. Right. And next, coming to the methods, we have read methods as well as write methods. So read single byte, read multiple bytes of data, write single byte of data, write multiple bytes of data. And we also have its own methods like seek. So it is used to move the cursor position in a file from the beginning, 0 position. So length of the file, we can also set the length of the file, closing the file. And then we have get file pointer. It will give where is the current position of a cursor from the beginning of a file. Right, so initial cursor position is 0. And we have methods same like data input stream class. Read methods which can read binary data from a source, and we also have write methods same like data output stream class, which are used to write binary data of any data type onto the output screen. So read methods and write methods. So now we are supposed to perform both reading and writing operations using random access file. So this is the constructor with read mode read write mode, and file name. And we have read methods from InputStream class as well as data input stream. And we also have write methods from OutputStream class and data OutputStream class. And these are some important methods. Get file pointer, seek, length, close. So get file pointer means it will give the position of a cursor in a file from the beginning, 0 position. Seek, it is used to move the position of a cursor in a file from the beginning, 0 position, and length of the file. And we can also close the file, which is associated with RandomAccessFile class. And for constructors, we get FileNotFoundException. And for methods, we get IOException. So both are checked exceptions. So try catch is compulsory for them. Right. So now let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. RandomAccessFile example 3. So program is ready for us. So initially we are going to take the comments program to read or write data at a time on a file using RandomAccessFile class, and then import the Java package, java.io package, and then take the main class with main method and save this program as RandomAccessFile example3 .java in your working directory. And then we are putting the complete coding in try and then catch. So if we get any exception like file not found exception or IO exception, it will be caught by exception class E, and we are printing exception type and message. So let us start with the coding inside the try block. So initially we are asking enter a file name, and this file name we are accepting with readLine method of data input stream class. So we are also creating a data input stream class object by passing system.in as parameter, and after accepting the file name from the keyboard, we are storing that in fname, and this file name we are passing as a parameter to RandomAccessFile constructor for creating the object with read write mode, means parallelly we can perform both the operations. So initially we are printing the file length, raf dot length. So initial length will be 0 because we are going to take a new file, and initially raf dot get file pointer. So initially the file pointer or the file cursor will be at the beginning of the file, and on that we are writing some data. So first we'll write some data onto the file, something like raf dot write bytes. Okay, so we'll execute till here, and then we'll see reading and writing one case. Right, so after that we are closing RandomAccessFile and data input stream objects. Right, so go to the command prompt. So compile the program, RandomAccessFile example 3.java. So no error, run it. Right, so demo file.txt. So initially the file length is 0 and file cursor position is 0. So say notepad demo file.txt. So initially we don't have any data inside the file. Close it. Okay, let us delete this file. Once again we'll create it when we run the program. So the file is deleted. So now we will perform writing operations on a file. So this is a small logic for writing the data on the file. Right, it goes like this. raf dot, we are using write bytes. So what is a write bytes of data? We are writing string data as bytes onto the file. How? Hello, welcome to SriSai IT Hub new line. And after writing data to the file, we are again printing length of the file and cursor position inside a file. So the cursor position should be end of the file. So save it. Right. So recompile and rerun. So we'll give demo file.txt. So initially file length and cursor position is 0 when the file is newly created. So after writing data to the file, so file length is 29 and file cursor position is 29. So notepad demo file.txt. So hello, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. So the length of the file or the size of the file is 29 bytes. We can verify that. dir demo file.txt. So the length of the file is 29 bytes. Okay, we'll delete the file. Once again, when we run, it will be created. Right, so clear screen. Now, after writing the data onto the file, we will read the data, what we have written onto the file immediately. So reading data from beginning of the file. Okay, how? raf.seek 0. So the cursor position is at the end of the file. From the end of the file, we are moving the cursor position to 0 position, which is beginning of the file. So after moving that, we are taking a byte array B, new byte array, to store the data from file into byte array. So we are giving the byte array size as raf.length, whose return type is long. We are converting that into integer. So the size of byte array is length of the file, which is 29 bytes. And after that, raf dot read byte array. So we have input stream methods available in RandomAccessFile. So read complete 29 bytes of data from the file demo file.txt into byte array B. It will be available in byte array B. And then next, we are converting that byte array B into string SS and then print SS. That's it. So from the beginning, the complete data will be available in byte array B and then converting that into string and printing onto the output screen. And after that, again we are printing length of the file 29 bytes and cursor position in a file. It will be at it will be at last position, which is 29 bytes. Right, so save it, recompile and run demo file.txt. So once again the new file is created. Initially file length is 0, cursor position is 0, and after writing the data to the file, file length is 29 and cursor position is 29. So we have taken the cursor position from 29th position to 0 position, and from there we are reading the data from the file. Hello, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. And after reading the data, again the cursor will go to the end of the file. So file length is 0 anyhow, and then cursor position will be 29. So this is how we are supposed to perform both reading and writing operations at a time using RandomAccessFile class and its methods. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel SriSai IT Hub. Have a nice day.